In this video, I will show you how to set up home page in Microsoft Edge. If as an administrator you have been assigned a task to change the home page, it will be difficult for you to change the home page one by one on each computer. So we will set the home page centrally through a group policy. Now we will move toward the lab and perform the same. This is the Hyper-V Manager in which I have configured a Windows Server 2025 with a domain controller from which we will apply the policy, and there is a Windows 10 machine in which we will test. Now we will move toward the Windows Server. First, we have to create an OU from Active Directory users and computer. We will open Server Manager from where we will open the Active Directory users and computer. So click the tools and here select Active Directory users and computer. Right click and select new OU. I will name it OU, and we will move the user on which we will apply the policy. That is a testing user, which I will move to the OU. Now we will apply the policy from group policy. Tools, select group policy management. First, we will create a group policy object. We will name it change default page. And we will add it. Because this is a user policy, so we will apply on this on a user configuration. We will expand the policies, administrative template, Windows component, and here we will select Internet Explorer. Here we will select disable changing home page. Here is it. We will enable it, and here we will type the home page which we want to display. I will type https colon. I will type www.megaplus.com. Then we have to save it, and we will close the same, and will link the GPO to the OU which we have created. So right click the OU and link an existing GPO, and here we will select change current home page, default home page, and we will update the group policy. GP update /force. Policy has been updated. Now we will move and test the same on the client machine. Here we will connect the window 10, and we will update the group policy, CMD, and type group policy update, GP update slash force. Policy is updated successfully. Now we will open the Internet Explorer. It will open the default page in Microsoft Edge. As group policy has successfully been deployed, and you can see the home page is set to https www.megaplus.com. Thank you for watching.